How to delete Temu account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete the account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Here, you'll be able to see your profile, and here on the right, you'll be able to see the settings icon on the top. Tap on settings. Here on the top, you'll be able to see account security. Tap on account security. So this is the account details that you have. Now here at the last, you'll be able to see the option called delete your Temu account. Tap on delete your Temu account. So tap on this permissions and other grants and tap on continue. So it will take some time. Here you must even select the reason, select anyone that you like and tap on continue. Now you must use a verification code directly, and a verification code will pop up in your mail. So enter the code and the account will be deleted. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.